Good morning. Today is Friday the 21st and my cat is being a jerk. He loves to eat the Winter Plannerland stuff and I have yet to even film it, so I can't let him do that, and you're dying, so let's change it real quick. Okay, be right back. And you're back. Welcome back. How are ya? So I am editing vlog 18, 19. And I've never had this happen. Y'all let me know if you've ever had this happen. So, oh, sorry, hit ya. Like, I don't know if you can see, like, I'm vlogging and then it just goes blank and you hear like, wah, 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 like, as it comes out, like, really mellow, dramatic. Oh, sorry, I forgot I zoomed in. Oh, sorry, no, you don't want to do that. So I've never ever had that happen before, like ever. And I've had this camera forever. So by ever, I mean like a little over a year. So I don't know what happened. So I'm gonna have to do 19 and 20th together. What's today? 21st? Is that what this is? Or is this the 18th? Let's see, I know. Now today is Tuesday, the 18th. So it's the 18th, so I'll do 18th and 19th together. And then I should have enough footage from yesterday. So I don't remember which. I have literally 4 of these sitting right here. And I hope I didn't put back the one that I needed to use in this one, because that would really suck. Because I need to edit this before we hit the road. I haven't packed. I haven't done anything, like at all. Like, we leave in 2 hours. I haven't even packed. YOLO. What is this? Okay, this definitely has the 18th. I wouldn't, November. We're in December. Louis, he's such a pain. Okay, this is what? What is this? Is this just other vlogs? Okay, I'm going to edit instead of putting you off. Editing, not you here, but like, and the devil is going probably for, no, he's coming to love me. Not really. Okay, I'll see you later. Oh, what are you doing? Do you know mommy's leaving you? I know, it's so sad. Huh? Huh? Come back. Oh, he's loving my feet. Come back. Yeah. Come here. Oh, don't knock that over. Okay, bye. Hi. You need some love right now? You're so needy. Oh, I got your butt. I got your butt. So I got a million requests to do the Simply Gilded holiday card. So I have the fast forward in here, but I think I will make another one, and then that way it can be real time and me showing you and actually explaining how to do it, because I think it'll be less as, sorry, not less as, it'll be exciting, but it kind of like gets rid of the like exciting part as well. Like, it's exciting to be able to do it, but it like the magic behind like, wow, it's so great, is like highly ruined. Because it's like, oh, it's a thing that does it. Just like, yeah, but it's really complicated, but it's really good. So, okay, I gotta pack. I gotta, like, I'm literally in like the biggest t-shirt in the world and I'm obsessed and I don't want to get ready and get in the car, but it's 11:30. I have to, I gotta be a productive member of society. Otherwise we'll be naked the entire trip with his family. Don't want that. Thank gosh for alarms, because I almost forgot about the Simply Gilded new release. Again, I have so much stuff. I just can't help myself. I don't know why. It just doesn't. Although I should realize that I don't use really anything but the solid colors, so I should kind of shift how I buy them. But that stuff just looks so pretty. All the 5mm. I'm excited. I'm ready. I am ready.